rug cleaner. As always, thanks for a really good cleaning, which is your trademark. If there is a technique to get the rug pile up, that would be appreciative as well. The significant dark spots where I stand, sit, or walk the most is trapped in dirt. Sticky dirt at places which management never seems to keep sidewalks clean, and mud and sticky droppings from the trees. Smiley face.
Well, to answer that question of can I get the rug pile up? Welcome to another episode of Cleaning with QMS. And as you saw from the intro, I'm at a commercial apartment property. And this is one of the units. This resident, she has lived here many years. I've done the carpets for her multiple times. She's a very nice lady. Has a puppy or dog, getting a little old, but has some problems. So once a year they pay for her cleaning. So, and that note was perfect because today, if you watched my other video, which is probably put up yesterday, talked about how I just got the 17-inch Brush Pro. Oh man, it's gonna bring the nap of this carpet back up because this carpet is nylon, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it is over 10 years old. I think she's almost been here 20 years. This is the original carpet when she moved in. So a stain here came up last time, and because of the color of it, I know most likely there was a spot from her dog there before a little accident, and so when I cleaned it, what got pushed down came back up, and she felt bad to call me, and I told her, Marie, don't worry, just give me a call because I'm always out here on the property. I could fix it for you. So, but you can see there's wear patterns. I mean, seriously, this carpet, it's 15 to 20 years. I'm gonna say it without a doubt, because she has been here forever, as long as I can remember. So, but let's get this started, get that beast up and running, and let's leave some nice fluffy carpet for her when she returns. So I just wanted to show you real quick. I haven't cleaned over it yet, but look at those lines. She's gonna love it. It's nice and fluffed up. But remember that spot I showed you earlier? It's gone. I just misted the stuff over, so I knew she could get it out, but I told her just call me next time. But I'll give you a few seconds of cleaning right here. And then what I'll really show you is all the living room area. But what's nice about low moisture too, okay, it's gone, completely gone. So it was a bleed back spot, and as soon as I saw it, I could tell us what it was. But you're gonna see in some of this carpet there is permanent stains and blemishes. Her dog has over the years used the restroom, and it sat there too long. It's gonna happen. But what is impressing me the most is how much this carpet's lifting up. Okay, I expected it to lift a little. I've had my tenant CRB for a while, but this is just this is on a whole nother level. And I can't wait for her to come home and see this. She's going to be thrilled. And of course, just like any carpet, it's not going to stay up, forever. But using the CRB is definitely going to take those packed out areas and open them back up, so it should stay nice and fluffy for a while at least. And I think too, she's really good about vacuuming, so that's going to help add to the length of how long it stays looking good. But before, I just always wet cleaned it, and it looked good when I was done, but obviously, according to that little note, it just crushed out real quick. So gonna get this sprayed out here and get it going. And I said, if you have a CRB, always tilt them back. That way the brushes don't flatten out. And they'll flatten out really quick, because the last job, I think I let it set on there for about only a minute, and when I kicked it up, you can feel the bouncing. So, all right, I'm gonna get this sprayed here and start cleaning. It's just like, let me at that carpet, man. So if any of you could suggest a cool name, I call the CRB. Let me know in the comments. Give it a name. So I've got 2 minutes and 30 seconds left, and this SD card is full, and I apologize. I had some good jobs planned out for the day, it's that time of year, just forget to do things, so busy. Look at that. Finished just in time. So I got 30 seconds. So take a quick peek. Look at these lines. She's gonna love the way it looks when she gets in here, I guarantee it. So that's it for this episode of Cleaning with QMS. I want to appreciate all the subscribers. I love the comments because I try and get back to everybody as possible. Even if I can't reply, as long as you know I marked it with a heart, I read it, and I appreciate that. So before it dies on me, as always, subscribe, share, like, and hey, YouTube, remember, stay clean.